Hi viewers. Today we'll discuss enlargement. Enlargement is a type of transformation, and basically reflection, rotation, translation, and enlargement. These all are types of transformation. In this part, we will discuss when the scale factor is greater than 1, and whenever the scale factor is greater than 1, image is always bigger than the object, and one side of the and we always find the scale center of enlargement one side of the object as well as image. Now scale factor is basically the length of the ratio between corresponding lengths of object as well as image, or we can find scale factor the length from center to enlarge divided by center to object. So there are two ways to find scale factor, but in these cases we have given scale factor. In this question we have scale factor 2. We will try to solve, mention the rule to find scale factor as well. Scale factor, we say O A dash means center to enlarge, one of the corner of the enlarged shape, divided by center to object. It can be OB dash over OB, or it can be OC dash over OC, or we can say that A dash B dash means the corresponding length of the image divided by the length of object AB. This will work also. Anyway, here we have given scale factor is 2, and of course the image will be bigger than the object. So for example, the first thing to find enlargement, we will draw the lines. Those lines will help us. We have given center as well, so start a line from center by touching one of the corner of the shape object, same as you draw the other lines as well. Like this will pass through A. Most probably it's not a big number, so we can say that this much enough. And the third line very straight, horizontal. And see how to find OC dash or OB dash or OA dash. So for example, we are looking the first point, which is OB dash. So scale factor, I would say scale factor is equal OB dash over OB. And remember that scale factor is given. So OB dash we are looking, and OB is O to B. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, 4 squares. So it means OB dash is equal to 8. So now we will count 8 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the point where we can say that it's a B dash. Same as we will find out all other points by try to make multiply scale factor 2 in each case. Like O to A we have 1, 2 boxes, so 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4. So OA dash must be 4, means 1, 2, 3, 4. This is A dash, and O to C we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 multiplied by 2, 10. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means the image is 2 times bigger than the object A, B, C. Okay, this is C dash. Now the last thing, we will connect all the points A dash, B dash, C dash, A to B dash, B to C dash, and A to C dash. So A dash, B dash, C dash is over required enlarged shape of A, B, C. If you want to write coordinates, so the coordinates of C dash are 12, comma 0, sorry, 12, comma 2, and the coordinate of B Along x-axis it is 8, and along y-axis it is 10. And if you want to write coordinate of A, those are 6 along x-axis, and y-axis it is 4. So we write it the coordinate of A dash B dash C dash also. We move on next case. I hope so you understand. We solve few different. Now here center was one side of the object. Okay. Now if center is one of the corner, how to find a large shape when the scale factor is 3? So let's see. Again, the basic idea or rule is same. We have given scale factor. Scale factor is 3. And remember that, let's suppose we are looking OA dash. So for OA dash over OA, scale factor is 3. And OA dash, O to A, we will try to count the number of boxes. So we have 2. It means OA dash, we have 3 into 2, 6. So now how to find these? We just draw the lines. For example, our center is here. Then draw one line. Remember that our center and point B have same or common points. So if O and B have same corner points, that means B dash will not change. Our B dash point will remain same. Okay. Here B dash is same point. O to A we have already we found. It is 2 boxes. So 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 6. So after this we can count 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the point. We can say that this point represent A dash. And O to C, if you count 1, 2, 3 boxes, so 3 multiplied by 3 means O C dash, 3 multiplied by 3, 9. So 3 already we have, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Exactly here is our C dash. And the last thing, we will connect all these points, and that is our enlargement. O to, that means B to C dash. We can try like this way, and A to C dash, and A dash to B dash. This is our required enlarged shape. I hope so you understand. Now we will see if the center is inside the object, how to find enlargement. That is our next question. Remember that in this question we have scale factor of enlargement 2, and as you can see that the center is inside the object. So again, the enlargement or scale factor is 2, which is greater than 1. So image is greater than or bigger than the object. So the basic idea is same. We will try to draw a few lines. Those lines will help us to find out the new points, means A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. So for example, O to D, we can extend like this way. O to C, we have one box, but extend it. So it means we need, in last scale factor is 2, so 2 times big. Not bigger than this. Then O to, if you want O to A, just extend. And then O to B, pass through B, and then lastly, okay, B and that E point are same line. We will try to find out. Now the first thing, we know that, let's suppose O scale factor is equal OB dash over OB scale factor is 2, and OB dash we are looking. OB is we can count from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means OB dash equal 8. So we will count 8 boxes. Already we have 4, so 4 more. 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is the point where we can say that B dash. Same as O2E, we have 2 boxes, 1, 2. So 2 multiplied by 2, 4 means 1, 2. Exactly at B, we have point E dash. Then if we count O to A, we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 multiply means OA dash equal 3 multiplied by 2 because scale factor is 2, so 6. 3 more, 4, 5, 6. This is the point where we can say that it is A dash. O to D, we have 2 boxes, so 2 multiplied by 2, 4. So 2 more. This is the point, which is D dash. Lastly, O to C, we have 1 box, so multiply by 2, so 2. So this point represent C dash. At the end, we just connect all these points with the help of scale so that we can find out A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, the new enlarged shape. So connect all these points. B to C dash, C dash to D dash, D dash to E dash, and then we can connect A to E dash. I hope so you understand the enlarged shape. Now we will solve one question, so that that question is a little bit different. We have to plot first, and after plotting, we will try to find out the enlargement. Okay, and enlargement is a little bit big, as you can see that here. In this question, the coordinate of the vertices of quadrilateral PQRS are given as P, Q, R, and S. The shape is enlarged by a scale factor of 5. So scale factor 5 is pretty big uh, from a center of enlargement. So center of enlargement is given. That is the good thing we can find easily. And remember that if center of enlargement is not given, we will try next question how to find center of enlargement when image and object are given. So how to find out center of enlargement and calculate the coordinate of image P dash, Q dash, R dash, and S dash. So I will consider every small box or square equal 1. So let's see here. We have origin. This is x-axis from 0 to right, always positive values. This is basic concept. Y-axis, so 0 to up, positive values, 0 to left, negative values, and 0 to down also negative values, which are y dash x-axis we can consider as. Now, first thing we have to plot P, Q, R, and S to show it's a quadrilateral. So let's have a look. -4 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, -4 and 2 down. This is the point where I can say that it's P, and we can say that it's -4 comma -2. Then next we have Q. So Q is -4 and 2 up. 1, 2, this one. It is Q, -4 and 2 up. After this we have R, which is 2, 2. 2 unit right, from 0 to 2 unit right, or 2 boxes right and 2 unit up. Okay, like this is the point which we can say that it is R, and it is 2, 2. And lastly we have S. S is 2, 4, 0. So it's better we write R is a little bit here so that we can mention S easily. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the point S. and we can say that it is 4 comma 0. Remember that along x-axis y is always 0. Now after this we will just plot the lines to connect and show this is quadrilateral like P to Q straight line. This is the line. Then you can go straight here, and then better it must be perfect so that we can find our enlarged shape more good way. So this is our required quadrilateral. Okay, once you finished this one, or you managed to plot and draw and then connected all these points, we find out it's a quadrilateral. Now remember that the enlargement is uh, 5, the scale factor is 5. Okay, for example here I can say that scale factor of let's suppose we are looking, and remember that one more thing, we have given enlargement which is -2 -1, where it is -2 2 unit left and -1 down. This is your center of enlargement. Remember this point. So this point is O, and we are, let's suppose we are looking O R. Okay, or first we check anyone, we can check first, no problem. So for example OR, so for OR dash we are looking, OR we have given, and scale factor is 5. And better we draw a line first so that it would be easy for us to calculate. If I draw the lines with the help of scale, so let's have a look. All these lines must pass through the corners. For example this one, so it makes sense. Then this line will pass through here. I need little bit big lines because the scale factor is too big, 5. And then and last line. Oh, so this is not that much big, but anyway, it makes sense now. Now we are looking OR dash. Okay, fine. So for OR dash, I need to know O to R how many boxes. So if you check carefully, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Means OR dash over 4. So it means OR dash equal 20. Means we have to count 20 where it comes. Already 4 we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It comes like that here, and we will see what is it. Same as this look like or dash. We check one easy. For example, O2P, we have two boxes. So 2 multiplied by 5, 10. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the point where we can say that it's P dash. And then O2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So 3 multiplied by 5, 15. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is the point where we can say that it's Q dash. And lastly, we have one more point here, which is O to S, and it has how many boxes? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 multiplied by 530. It's big, yes. Anyway, we will try. So we have already 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28, yes. We are looking, no, not 28. So we are looking 30, yes. 5, 6 are 30. So it means two more. This is the point. If I say this one, this point represent S dash. And now after this, you just connect with the help of scale, all this. So see this one, then straight away R, and then R to S, and then P to S dash, P dash to S dash. This is the required enlarged shape. One more thing, he is asking for us to calculate the coordinates of the image P dash, Q dash, R dash, and S dash. So we can say that the coordinates are Q dash. You can take the help of x-axis and y-axis. So if I count left side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So negative 12 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So negative 12, 14. Down we have negative 12, and you can count how many boxes down from x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So negative 5. In this way you can write R dash and S dash as well. I hope so you get it, how to manage. Now we solve one question with the help of like when the image and the object is given, how to write or how to find center of enlargement. This is the question. Here we have image as well as object, both are given. And remember that first question they ask, what do you think about the center of enlargement will be to the left? So yes, of course, left. When you draw the lines, or whenever you have your image is bigger than the object, we always one side of the object, we can find the scale fact of, we can find the center of enlargement. So now the second thing, how to find where is the center of enlargement, we can take help of the lines. So just draw the lines. Those lines will help us. So where the lines intersect, that point is basically center of enlargement. So you can start from W to W, connect these two and extend this line. After this, you can take another line, let's suppose Z dash to Z dash. So if you take from here, so I hope so we find, or no need to find, or no need to draw all the lines. Even though if you draw, you will figure it out same. Like let's suppose from Y dash to, this will exactly pass through 4 comma 0. So we find out the center of enlargement, which is this point where the lines intersect. This is our center of enlargement, which is 4 comma 0. That's what they want. Coordinate of center of enlargement. So center of enlargement, we have 4 comma 0. And whenever the object is bigger than the image is bigger than the object, so we always find the scale factor one side of the object, and here of course it is left side. But if the scale factor is between 0 and 1, then object is bigger than the image is smaller than the object. So in that case, that we will discuss in the part 2 of enlargement, and as well as negative of enlargement. Sorry, for example, we have scale factor is negative, so how to find such type of enlargement if we have a scale factor negative? The rule is same, but the center always between image and object. So that we will discuss in video number 2 or part 2. So here, how to find calculate the scale factor? As I mentioned in the start of the video or lecture, a scale factor is basically represent the length of the corresponding the ratio of the length of corresponding sides of object as well as image. So scale factor is equal, you can choose any two sides. For example, we are looking wx, okay. So we can say that w dash x dash, this is the image. So corresponding length of object wx. Now you just count the number of boxes. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Divide by w to x, we have 1 2 boxes. So it means 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. So our scale factor is 3. You can justify with different ways, like as I mentioned, another rule to find scale factor, which is uh, scale factor is equal to, let's suppose, from center to w dash o w dash over o w. That will help you also to find out the scale factor. So if you find out, or if you count o to w dash, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again 6 boxes, and o to w we have 1 to 2. So again we are getting the same answer. I hope so you understand how to find scale factor, how to find center of enlargement, and see you with next video. Bye.